What's up, YouTube? True 10 here. Just got a little brochure from a TNT stand here in California. And some of these prices are a little ridiculous, but it is what it is. But this is a buy one, get one section. You got Orchid FTN, buy one, get one. Neon Force, $17. Cool Cat, $12. BOGO, $10 for two 5 packs. So literally $1 per ground bloom. Comparison, I had a little assortment and I had 12 of these in there. It was like $2 or something. For $20, you get 2 packs of sparklers, but there's only 6 in each, so you're only getting 12. Not the best deal. Little Red Devil, $18. Buy one, get two free. Firecrackle, $13. Jalapeno poppers for $12 for two. Those are like $1 or $2 each normally, but now they're $12. Tiny Titan, Purple Rain, $13. These poppets, $4. Buy one, get two. So you would get 3 of these for $4. I ended up getting in Arizona 40 of them for $10. So literally 25 cents each. Compared to that, you have Electro, $45. American Revolution for $60. And here in California, there's Dino, 2 little pack, little tiny fountains for $12. I ended up getting the exact same thing here for $5. So in Arizona, you pay $5, and in California, $12. And this big fountain finale for $110. Here's a big ripoff. These fountains, my bad. These assortments. This one right there, Pyro Pack is usually like $12. So now it's $40. This little tiny backpack was like $25. Now it's $60. Family pack, $75. This 49er, $95. It was $49. That's why it's named that. So now it's $94 instead of the $49. So $50 more. All American, Perfect Show, Centennial, $189. The Big Timer, Big Deluxe, Golden Glow for $550. Maximum charge $800. $80. Brainbuster, $80. Legions, $120. Candy Paint, $110. Opening show, $100. To compare, and I was in Arizona, this was on one assortment. That was only $35. So something like that would be like $189 or $250, somewhere in between. So this is an Alien family pack. Something like that would probably be like $560. Got that for about $100. Glow Sabers, 2 of them, I got these for $10 in Arizona. But yeah, again, here in California, be prepared to pay a premium to celebrate, but it is what it is. So again, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.